Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to reset Windows Firewall. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Resetting Windows Firewall can help resolve configuration issues, or restore default security settings. Here's how to do it safely and effectively. Method 1. Using Control Panel. Open Control Panel, press Windows key +R, type Control, and hit Enter. Navigate to Firewall Settings, go to System and Security, then Windows Defender Firewall. Restore Defaults. On the left pane, click Restore Defaults. Click Restore Defaults again in the new window. Confirm by clicking Yes. To do a deeper reset that affects the entire firewall configuration at the policy level. On the left pane, click Advanced Settings. In the Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security window, click Action, then click Restore Default Policy. Method 2. Using Command Prompt. Admin. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. Press Windows key +X. Select Command Prompt, Admin, or Windows Terminal, Admin. Run the reset command. This command resets all firewall settings to their default state. What gets reset? All custom rules, inbound, outbound, allowed apps and services, network profiles, domain, private, public. Note: before resetting your firewall, you may want to back up your current rules. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.